Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. I apologize again. I have horrible allergies today, and my nose seems to be getting more and more stuffed up the more I talk. But I really wanted to hop on to just talk about Epicure and some of the exciting things that you might be wondering, having questions about if you are new to this amazing company. So I'm going to show you guys in the back office. So these are some of the main things that I suggest looking at first, because it just helps to see what the company offers and things that you can take a part of that not everybody else can. So this to me is the most exciting. So right here, so all you have to do is log into the main page. Your user info and password would have been sent to your email. If you can't find it, let me know, and then I am happy to help. But these are the most exciting things to always pay attention to. So this will show you the offers and sales that are coming up. So see how it says for pre-order, pre-order, pre-order. So starts in 7 hours because October is actually tomorrow. So these aren't yet available to our lovely customers, but we can order them now. So we can always order things a month before. And the ones up top here, so these actually end today because October 1st is tomorrow. So these were the deals for September. And the nice thing is that we can order anything a month before because we sell Epicure, so we kind of have first dibs on everything. And we will get at least 25% off everything too. So how nice is that? So we never have to pay full price for amazing herbs and spices and cookware again. So pretty cool, right? I love our steamers. So the most exciting thing for me was our Cook Faster collection because I want everybody to try our amazing steamers because they have no idea how amazing they are until they actually try them. They cook things so much faster, a lot healthier, easy to clean, and they just look nice too. So like even if you want to put them on the table, they look nice. You know, not like you're cooking your chicken in like 20-year-old like rusty cooking pan. I mean, that's a bad example because you would never do that, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? It looks nice to, cook in, store, serve, easy cleanup, love it. So when we had a sale on that, I bought that right away. I'll be giving one to my sister for Christmas because her and her boyfriend just moved into their new apartment. So they can use that for sure, right? But another thing to pay attention to is the left-hand side. So anything that is sold out, they will let us know. Any new announcements, any reminders, they will let us know. But over here, if you click on the menu, make sure to watch these amazing trainings that they do offer. Epicure had a new system starting this month, I believe, maybe last month, but I think it was this month. So I watched all of these to just kind of help me know how to navigate through the new system. It was confusing at first, but because it's something new, right? But if you watch all of these, there will be no questions because they have everything here for you. Epicure University, profile, sponsoring, like they have everything here in a very easy to read area too, which really, really helps. Plus, I am always here if you guys have any questions. And the calendar too, to just kind of see what's happening, what's going, around. If you want to filter, you can do that too, but pretty easy, right? So that's what I suggest looking at first. If you haven't yet, make sure to create your own Facebook page or Facebook group because that just helps to show your customers how much you like the products. And, so that way, if you get something in the mail, show off that amazing Epicure product, right? Actually, if you guys want, I can show you my page really quick. Sorry, I have a couple things open, so let me just show you guys that. I'll just kind of show you the things that I post. So posting, I do have another video on that, but just pretty much, don't post too often, but don't post not enough either. I say that when you're starting out to post every day, okay? Not like 8 times a day, not 20 times a day, not once a month, but post every day. Like one post a day really, really helps. let me share my screen here. There we are. So my page is Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So be sure to, have a look. It's just at facebook.com/group/Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So nice and simple. But as you guys can see, like I am actually showing people what I have and what I use. Plus, I take the time to talk about it a little bit too, right? I share some yummy, healthier looking recipes. Um, I talk about our products. I just closed a party the other day, so I did talk about how my host was able to get tons of free stuff. I talked about that. So I like to mix it up, another yummy look recipe. I talk about our waffle mold. So as you guys can see, like I don't just say like sell, 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 or sorry, I don't say buy me now, buy me now, buy me now, but I do sort of share what I'm thinking of, what I'm making for supper, what other people have made, so it just helps to get people looking, to get people interested, and then hopefully they'll be thinking of me and then want to buy Epicure, right? So that's just kind of what I like to do. I got a shipping order in, so I like to post that. So as you guys can see, right, it's a little bit of everything. My husband, he's a semi-finalist for what's it called? Body Systems Transformation Challenge. So he lost a ton of weight in 3 months. He still wants to lose more, but he used Epicure products to help him do that. So I did list that also. Plus, he does work out almost every day and supplements too. So not just Epicure, but I did say like he does do a lot more than that. But yeah, so I just kind of do a little bit of everything, right? But if you guys have questions, please let me know. I'm going to get another Kleenex again because my allergies are killing me right now. But thank you for your patience through my allergies. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one.